Hello, today I'll be going over the functions of our brand new LED candles. As you can see right here, there are 4 different brightness levels. The candle can stay on a constant light mode or a candle mode, which gives off a flickering effect. Here we have the remote. You'll see that there is an on and off button. We have 2 auto mode options, which has a timer of either 4 hours or 8 hours. There's also another mode for candle or light mode. As mentioned before, there are 4 different brightness levels, and you can choose from the left to decrease or increase the light. Here are several different options from our candles. These can be used for weddings, home decor, centerpieces, or perhaps your very own nightlight. Don't forget, we have many more options at efavormart.com. Here are some more examples. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this page. Thank you for watching.